bringing you to my crock pot this morning, so we can go ahead and put in the meat, because you know it's going to take a good 6 to 8 hours to cook. We're going to do easy crock pot beef tips, and I'm going to serve that over rice tonight. So let's go ahead and get started. I went ahead and got my crock pot on high. I've got it plugged up and on high. I went ahead and sprayed it. You can put a liner in it, or you don't even have to use anything if you don't want to, but it kind of helps with cleanup. We got about 2 pounds of stew meat from the grocery store. I did some of the bigger pieces I did cut in half. Alright, so we need to add this to a crock pot. This needs to be on the bottom of the crock pot. So you kind of spread it out just a little bit. Okay, I did chop up an onion. Put that in there. You need a can of mushroom soup. I'm putting a family size can in here. So, I decided to up the beef broth. You've got to put beef broth in here too. So because I'm putting 2 of these in here, or 2 family size cans about the size of 2 of the regular size cans, I'm going to add some extra broth, because this is probably going to be your gravy. Okay, let's get our beef broth. Okay, put that over. And one thing we need to do now, put a little salt and pepper, and we are done. A little bit of salt, and I usually do a generous amount of pepper. Okay, I'll see you back here in 8 hours. Hey everybody, it's 8 hours later, and this is what it looks like after it's cooked down. Remember that I did add a big can of mushroom soup. The recipe doesn't really state what size. I wanted extra gravy, you know, to kind of make it stretch farther. So that's what it looks like in the crock pot. Alright, I'm going to show you what it looks like plated up. So this is what it looks like plated up. I put some English peas with it. You can do it over mashed potatoes or rice, it does not matter. You can do whatever you want. That's just what I picked for today. And I just put peas with it. I probably would have put green beans or peas and carrots or something like that with it, but there it is. So it's a dump and go kind of crock pot meal. It's all ready to go. Thanks for watching.